Hi everyone, this is Professor Tejada, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Microsoft Edge in order to annotate your articles. The first thing that you want to do is download a free version of Microsoft Edge, which is just Microsoft's browser. I've left a link to that in this assignment page below, so if you want to give this a try, go ahead and download that first and then come to this video to follow these steps. I'm going to go ahead and click on the article Brainology by Carol Dweck. From here, I want to save this as a PDF, and in order to do that, I'm going to pretend like I want to print it. So you can either right-click on your mouse and you may get a print option, or you can just hit Control P on your keyboard and that will also give you the same print option. Mine is already toggled to save to PDF. Yours might be on any of the printers that you've used for your computer, but you do want it to say Save to PDF and click Save and then Save again. From there, you either go to your desktop or to your downloads, and you're going to open the article using Microsoft Edge. So you're going to right-click, scroll to open with, and then select Microsoft Edge. That will then give you the capability to annotate directly on this page, on this PDF. So you can mark it up by circling. You can use the text option to type your notes. You could change the color of that if you'd like. You can also highlight and then add a note. And then once you've marked up the entire article, you can click this Save As icon, and you could write Annotated and click Save, and that is the file that you would then upload to your TTT assignment. Okay, I hope that was helpful.